Okay, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are happy because you are here tonight. We are a group of managers who have been working in customer service since more than 5 years in the same company. We are the people who train our customer when they are going to work in different companies like call center, sales, and others. The customer service is an essential part in a company because it's the way of how you can satisfy your customers. It's important because through customer service is how you can keep them loyal and catch them. If you want your company grow up, first you have to know why is this important, and we are going to talk about this in this presentation. First, we are going to talk about the Bank First Direct. Second, what is customer service? Third, market research. And finally, the benefits of providing good customer. After talking about everything that I said before, we are going to conclude to do a conclusion about this. So I think that the questions will be answered at the end. So let's start.
Okay, good evening, everyone. My name is Patricia Cruz. It is a pleasure to be here with you tonight. I will going to tell you a bit about the case study we are going to talk about today. First Direct, the UK's most recommended bank. Nowadays, it is normal to manage our financial products and our bank accounts through the internet or some application of our smartphones. Although we still have to approach the branch to perform certain procedures. So, what is First Direct? Um, one second. Um, okay, First Direct is a division of the HSBC Bank. It is a retail bank that offers different services such as credit cards, loans, savings, mortgage loans, stockbroking. But First Direct is characterized by not having a branch network. Offer its service by means of internet or by telephone. Also, it is possible to access by means of mobile banking or text message. First Direct was formed on October 1 in 1989 by Midland Bank, one of the big four banks in the United Kingdom. Um, First Direct has been providing online banking service for almost 20 years and received more than 200,000 calls each week. Their call center in UK work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, and it has more than 3,000 employees and 1.3 million consumers now. So this case study will show you how First Direct positioned itself in the UK banking sector and how customer service was key to positioning itself in such a competitive market, maintaining high reputations of customer service being the number one UK's bank in this sector. With this mission statement, pioneering amazing service. Now, please listen to Valeria. Thank you.
Okay, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, let me thank you all for coming here today. For those of you who know me, my name is Giselle Valeria Ramirez. In this case, we will talk about what is customer service, how First Direct handles its service process, and the implication of customer service. What is service customer? Customer service is the service provided to customers before, during, and after purchasing and using goods and services. Good customer service has the potential to change the viewpoints of consumers and provide companies with important information related to the products and services they offer. Bad customer service can also cause negative effects such as complaints, which leads to loss of sale by satisfied customers. On the other hand, First Direct considers that customer service is used to set the direction for the business. In the other words, customer comforts market research shows that in terms of customer satisfaction, First Direct is the United Kingdom's #1 bank. It confirms that the bank has a reputation for quality customer service. The bank was the leading performer in the top 50 call centers for customer service benchmarking program, and it came top in the finance sector in the Institute of Customer Services Satisfaction Awards. So how do you achieve customer satisfaction? To achieve customer satisfaction, First Direct sets and monitors service and standards. For example, 4 out of 5 calls are answered within 20 seconds. On average, of customers calling answered in 30 seconds. Customer service representatives are available around the clock. This means that customers always get to talk to a real person, not a machine, and they never have to touch buttons before they get to talk to someone. Individuals are well trained and are empowered to act on customer issues. This means that customers are not passed from one person to another. The same customer representative will find to deal with an issue so that the customer is not always dealing with the different individuals. Procedure really helps the bank to have very high quality standard for recognition. And the point, finally, which involves good customer service. The service is an aspect that touches all areas of a company. Hence, it's important as directly affects the reputation of a company, its ability to attract new customers, increase its sales, and be recognized for the value added to the experience of the product or service offered. Thank you very much. Continue, Brigitte.
Thank you, Vale. Hello, everybody. I'm happy that you'll be here. Today, I'm going to talk about the market research. It is one of the main strategies using for the First Direct. Market research is a process that enables businesses to find out more information about its customers and markets. This is one of the main elements because it provides direct feedbacks that can be used to build and refine services. First Direct collects a range of data that identifies market trends through these research activities. First Direct analyzes the first impressions that the new customers have. This market research helps the bank to assess their initial experience of banking with First Direct. The second activity is Voice of the Customers. It is a program of research that is conducted monthly among existing customers who have taken a new product with First Direct over the last couple of months. Other activity is focus groups that consist of small groups of customers, and then they provide qualitative feedbacks on a specific topics and issues. And the last one is the quantitative research. that provides robust and representative feedback on a range of specific issues. The information generated by market research helps those within the organization to understand more fully what existing and potential customers want. Market research also provides valuable information about how first direct services are perceived and experienced by customers. Research data shows that it is ahead of the competition in achieving customer satisfaction for an internet banking and a telephone banking service. Thank you so much. Please, Gabriela, continue.
Okay, I am going to talk about the benefits of providing good customer service. I am going to talk about especially about the bank. By giving good customer service, is creating a distinctive image for others, which force the company to keep its employees trained and train them to give their best to the company, because this can make that the company keep the high standard. People that be customers of this bank are very, very satisfied with the customer attention of the bank, which make them loyal bank. But there is something that is in best, but marketing and promoting a bank to new customer can be expensive. It is more efficient to keep existing customer than focus resources on searching for new ones. Of new customers come to the bank as a direct result of recommendation for existing customer. So this is a good point because it means that customers have fewer complaints. Okay, right now I am going to talk about the conclusion of all of this presentation. So taking in account that the bank is one of the main entities that has the best customer service and also has a different model from a traditional bank, it's essential to see the type of training they have had with their internal customers, with employees. Since value proposition that the company has provided with its customers have been good, and we must seek ways to improve the service provided and us to continue to keep quality standards and surprise customers in the future, new services and facilities. So thank you.